Hello dear students. Now in continuing chapter number 6, permutation, combination and binomial expansion. Permutation means arrangement. Okay, 3 boys and 2 girls arranged in rows of that how many men? It is called permutation. Combination. Combination means selection. Selection means 1 boys and 2 girls out of 3 boys and 5 girls are randomly selected by total outcome. Okay. Now next, this is called combination. Permutation combination दोनों का आपको मिलेगा. उसका रीजन करता है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर 12th में प्रोडक्ट में यूज हो रहेगा परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन दोनों. देखो एग्जांपल नंबर 1. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेन परम्यूटेशन. परम्यूटेशन की फार्मूला है, फार्मूला फॉर परम्यूटेशन. Okay, so NPR, P means permutation. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. यह परम्यूटेशन की मेन फॉर्म. इस पे डिपेंडिंग आप सभी आंसर ला सकते हो परम्यूटेशन. सम इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट भी जस्ट लाइक NPN, तो उसका आंसर ऑलवेज क्या आएगा 1. अनदर रिजल्ट है NP0, सॉरी यहाँ पे NPN मींस n फैक्टोरियल आएगा. NP0 उसका आंसर 1 आएगा. नेक्स्ट है NP1 उसका आंसर n आएगा. जो कोई भी वैल्यू n की होगी पावर उसका फर्स्ट है n एज इट इज वही होगा. एंड लास्ट का NP n minus 1 is equal to n factorial. थोड़ा बहुत सब इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट है. मेन फॉर्मूला क्या आपकी NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. ये फॉर्मूला का आंसर आएगा. NPN सपोज हम ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे 6p6. ओके, तो 6 पे 6 के 6 स्टेप क्या हो गए? तो 6 into 5 into 4, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. The answer is 6 factorial. And 6 factorial means 720. ये हुआ आपका फाइनल आंसर. ओके, इसलिए यहाँ पे राइट किया हो गया n factorial. तो वही आंसर आएगा जो आपका n होगा वही आपका फैक्टोरियल आंसर है. Next NP0. Suppose 4p0 0. Equal step in the first step. Answer is always 1. Okay. Next NP1. NP1 was 5p1. So 5p1 का first step क्या होगा? 5 as it is. So n directly answer. जो आपका first step है n का जो आंसर रहेगा वही आपका आंसर होगा. Okay. NPN minus 1. Suppose 6p 6 minus 1. So 6p 6 minus 1 means क्या हुआ? 6p 5. 6 के 5 step. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 अब into 1 राइट किया कि नहीं किया? आंसर वही आएगा क्या? 6 factorial it means 723. NPN minus 1 n factorial. ये रिजल्ट जो है वो यूजफुल है कि आपको यदि पता है तो आप शॉर्टकट डायरेक्टली आंसर राइट कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो अभी क्या करेंगे हम? जो फॉर्मूला है हमारे NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. आज फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 1. Find the values of following. Values find out. First is given 8p3. मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1. Okay. 883. Which formula find value? The formula is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So first of all, write down the formula. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay. Now we have value of n is 8 and value of r is 3. So now next step, 8p3 is equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 out of bracket factorial. Okay, 8 minus 3 means 5. So numerator here is from 5 to 39. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 5 factorial. So 5 by factor both side cut. So using calci 8 into 7 into 6 is equal to 336. You have the final answer. 8p3 is equal to 336. Okay, that's our final answer. Next, for the second question, find the value NP. Okay, 2. Find out the answer 60p2. 60p2. Think 60 के decreasing order. 2 step right now. So using formula NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r out of bracket factorial. Here value of n is 60 and value of r is 2. Now next step, 60p2 is equal to 60 factorial divided by 60 minus 2 factorial. Okay. Next, 60 minus 2, 58. So numerator decreasing order step to 58. 60 into 59 into 58 factorial. Now next step, 60 into 59 into 58 factorial divided by 58 factorial. So numerator and denominator 58 factorial cut. So using calculation 60 into 59 3540. Clear? Now next, question 3. Okay, value is given 7p6. Okay. 7p6 is given. So yeah, using formula NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Value of n is 7p. Value of r is 6. Now next putting value of n is 7. 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 6 out of bracket factorial. Because 7 minus 6 means 1. 1 नहीं रखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. मैंने आपको बोला पहले भी NPR NP n minus 1 is equal to always क्या आएगा आंसर है. तो देखो 7p 7 minus 1 तो 6 आएगा. तो आपका आंसर 7 ही आएगा. 7 factorial. 7 minus 1 तो 1 ही आएगा. 7 factorial divided by 1 factorial. तो 7 factorial का आंसर क्या होगा आपका 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 1 factorial. Answer is good. Okay. So using calculus, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. The final answer 5040. Okay, 5040 checked. Now next, last question for the illustration 1. Number 4. 5v5. सब इम्पोर्टेंट रिजल्ट पता है तो क्या होगा, NPN is equal to always n factorial. n factorial means 5 factorial. 120 आंसर आएगा. चेक करते हैं विद फार्मूला. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r out of bracket factorial. Big value n and r both are 5. 5v5 is equal to 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 5 factorial. 5 minus 5 0. So now 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 0 factorial. Answer is 120. Okay. So you have completed for the illustration number 1. Next, illustration number 2. If NP3 is equal to 720, then find the value of n. Okay, NP3 is 720 given. Find the value of n. N find value. So first of all, write the formula for permutation. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r out of bracket factorial. Here value of n as it is p. Value of r is 3. Okay, n factorial as it is divided by n minus value of r is 3 factorial. NP3 value is given 720 is equal to, okay, n minus 3. n decreasing order में step write down. n minus 1, n minus 2. Okay, so decreasing order n. Next step n minus 1. Next n minus 2. Next n minus 3. Okay, denominator में n minus 3 है. मतलब लिख के factorial divide by n minus 3 out of bracket factorial. So numerator denominator same value got n minus 3 and minus 3. So remaining step write down 720 is equal to n in bracket n minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, 720. 3 decreasing step, find out multiplication for 720. नहीं पता हो LCM ले सकते हो. 720 2 316 divide by 2 180 divide by 2 90 divide by 2 45. अब 2 से factor is not possible. So now next for the 3 divide by 3 45. So 15 3s are 45. Now next 3 5 and last 5 in the 5. आपको 3 consecutive value decreasing order में find करनी है 720. So 5 into 2. So 10. 2 to the 4 to the 8 and 3 to the 9. Okay, 8, 9 and 10 3 values for the consecutive decreasing order. Now next step 10 10 minus 1 10 minus 2 10 10 minus 1 is 9 10 minus 2 8 and right hand side as it is values write down n minus 1 n minus 2. So check it left hand side n की place पे क्या है values 10. Therefore our n is 10. Okay. Now next illustration 3. If 7PR is equal to 42, 7PR is equal to 42, then find the value of R. Okay, आपको 7PR is given 42. Find the value of R. R आपको find करनी है. So first of all write down formula. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Now next putting value n is 7, r as it is no given, find out. Now next step 7p r is equal to n factorial. Value of n is 7, 7 factorial divided by n is 7, 7 minus r factorial. NPR value is given in question 42. Now next step 42 is equal to 7 factorial divided by 7 minus r factorial. Cross multiply upper side. Now next step 7 minus r factorial is equal to 7 factorial divided by 42. Now next step 7 decreasing order 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so now next 7 minus r factorial is equal to 7 into 6 42. Numerator denominator both cut. So now next step 5 factorial as it is. 7 factorial इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. But here 40 to 42 numerator and denominator both places are cut. So 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 7 6 are 42 both side cut. Remaining value write down 7 minus r factorial is equal to 5 factorial. Factorial cut. Next step 7 minus r is equal to 5. Okay, interchange value. So 7 minus 5 is equal to r. Therefore, value of r is equal to 2. Okay. Minus on the right side transfer for positive. Value of 5 positive, left side transfer to negative. So 7 minus 5 2. Okay. Here complete illustration number 3. Okay, next illustration number 4. If 56 into n factorial is equal to 8 factorial, then find the value of n. 56 into n factorial is equal to 8 factorial. then find the value of n. आपको n find करनी है। 56 multiplication opposite denominator. Now next step, n factorial is equal to 8 factorial divided by 56. Okay, 8 factorial means 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Decreasing order step. Now next, n factorial is equal to 8. 8 into 7. 8 7 the 56. So numerator denominator both cut. Now next step 6 factorial. Okay, divide by 56. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 56 into numerator denominator both side cut. 8 into 7 56. Okay, so remaining value n factorial is equal to 6 factorial. Both side factorial cut. Therefore our value of n is 6. E value आप यहाँ पे राइट करेंगे और आंसर फाइंड कीजिए 8 factorial. Okay, now next in illustration number 5. If n factorial divided by 2 is equal to 60, then find the value of n. So यहाँ पे ये बोला find the value of n factorial by 2 is equal to 60 is given. 2 denominator आपको इस साइड लगे जाएंगे क्या है numerator multiplication. Now next step, n factorial is equal to 60 into 2. Answer n factorial is equal to 120. कैलसी यूज करो, यूजिंग कैलसी एंड चेक करो कहां पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन 120 अगर 1 से स्टार्ट करो 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 we have 120. It means n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 1 to 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या हुआ 120. नेक्स्ट स्टेप n factorial is equal to 5 factorial. इसका मतलब क्या है 5 factorial का आंसर 120. 5 4 3 2 1 जो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में राइट करते हैं बोथ साइड factorial कट. वैल्यू ऑफ n is 5. ओके, ये कंप्लीट है इक्वेशन 5. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन नंबर 6. If n plus 2 p3 is to n plus 1 p3 is equal to 10 is to 7, then find the value of n. Here also find the value n. So write down your question. N plus 2 p3 is to n plus 1 p3 is equal to 10 is to 7. Okay, इसको सेकेंड स्टेप जो है डिनोमिनेटर्स में राइट करेंगे. ना सेकेंड स्टेप डिनोमिनेटर. नेक्स्ट n plus 2 p3 divide by n plus 1 p3 is equal to opposite side second value is for denominator 10 by 7. Done. Next n plus 2 p3 n plus 2 decreasing order 3 step write down. So n plus 2 as it is first step. Now decreasing order second step n plus 1. Next third step only for n. Divide by n plus 1 p3 decreasing order 3 step. First step is given n plus 1. Now second step decreasing order only for n, and third step n minus 1 is equal to 10 by 7. Okay, same values got numerator denominator n plus 1 n plus 1. rest of values write down. N plus 2 by n minus 1 is equal to 10 by 7. Okay, cross multiplication. Now next step. 7 in bracket n plus 2 is equal to 10 in bracket n minus 1. Okay, cross multiplication. 7 into n, 7n plus 7 into 2, 40 is equal to right side 10 into n, 10n minus 10 on the 10. Okay. And opposite side transform minus 10 opposite side plus. Okay, values positive, negative, negative, positive. So 40 plus 10 is equal to 10n minus 7n. Okay, same variable values क्या करें साथ में हमने रखें. 14 into 10, 24. 10 minus 7, 3n. 3 multiplication left hand side opposite divide denominator write down. 24 by 3 is equal to n. Therefore value of n is 8. Okay, so a completed illustration number 6. Next, illustration number 7. In how many ways 3 members of family, husband, wife and daughter, can be arranged in row for a group photograph? Underline, arranged in row. Arrangement means permutation. Husband, wife and daughter. Okay? 3 members, so arranged. Husband, wife and daughter. Okay, 3 members arranged में जो फर्स्ट अरेंजमेंट हमने राइट किया वो पॉसिबल है. हस्बैंड, वाइफ एंड daughter. सेकंड अरेंजमेंट क्या पॉसिबल है? फर्स्ट वाइफ को राइट करेंगे, सेकंड हस्बैंड को, थर्ड. नेक्स्ट अरेंजमेंट क्या पॉसिबल है? हस्बैंड, डॉटर, वाइफ. नेक्स्ट अरेंजमेंट वाइफ, डॉटर, हस्बैंड. उसी तरह से डॉटर, वाइफ, हस्बैंड, डॉटर, हस्बैंड, वाइफ. इंटरचेंज, प्लेस इंटरचेंज हो सकती है फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड 1 1 2 3 3 2 1 2 1 3 2 3 1 पॉसिबल है इंटरचेंज. लेकिन 3 मेंबर्स है तो तीनों को अरेंज करना है 3 प्लेसेस. टोटल परम्यूटेशन. Three member and 3 place. 3 member and 3 place. So 3p3. 3p3 and pn means n factorial always. So 3 factorial, 3 factorials. 3 into 2 into 1. 6 ways is there possibility when husband, wife and daughter are arranged in 6 ways. Okay. Now next illustration. Using all the digits 2, 5, 7, 8. 2, 5, 7, 8. Using all the digits 2, 5, 7, 8 for 4-digit number are to be formed. 4-digit number. are to be formed. Number one, first question. How many such number can be made? How many such number can be made? टोटल कितने पॉसिबल है 4 डिजिट के नंबर? 4 प्लस and 4 digit is given 2 5 7 8. इसका मतलब 4 digit and 4 plus same to same 3 member 3 plus same 4 digit 4 plus 4 be 4. Interchange are possible 2 5 7 8 2 5 8 7 2 5 2 7 5 8 2 8 5 7. Okay, interchange are possible. Total permutation is equal to 4 digit and 4 place is given 4b 4 4b 4 and means n factorial 4 factorial 4 factorial answer 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 total 24 will be possible. Clear? Now next number 2. How many of them will be even number? Okay, how many of them will be even number? Even number के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? तो लास्ट यानी कि यूनिट प्लेस है वहाँ पे even number 2 and 8 1 2 3 okay 4 place 4 digit. Even number means unit place पे even number only for 2 and 8 anyone your unit place rest of 3 digit any 3 places. Okay, यहाँ पे 2 digit में से कोई एक digit आएगा और एक digit remaining 3 places में आएगा. Okay, odd number 2 है 5 8 7 तो आएगी तो यहाँ से कोई भी नहीं. Okay, इवन नंबर के लिए यहाँ पे क्या है यूनिट प्लेस ऑलवेज इन इवन नंबर. ओके, यहाँ इवन नंबर जे ने ત્યાં શું જોઈએ 2 और 8. ओके, इवन डिजिट रिमेनिंग एक जे રહેશે આમાંથી ત્રણમાંથી કોઈ એક હોઈ શકે. ઓકે, ટોટલ પરમ્યુટેશન two digit one place. So 2p1. Clear? Here two values possible are unique place. The two value and place only for one 2p1. Rest of 3 place 3 digit and means multiplication 3p3. So 2p1 first step as it is 2 and 3p3 and factorial means 3 factorial. Now next 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 so total 12 is possible for the even number. Number 3. How many of them will be divisible by 5? Okay, how many them will be divisible by 5? Divisible by 5 means unit place are possible for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divisible by 5, 5 only for one time. So unit place correct. Rest of 3 digit 3 place. Okay. Divisible by 5 means શું કરવાનું કે 5 એ યુનિટ પ્લેસ પર તો 5 ના ટેબલમાં મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન 5 one time છે 0 or 5 5 to the 5 5 to the 10 the 0 and 5 big value possible છે યુનિટ પ્લેસ. 5 one time so here one place one value rest of 3 place 3 value. total permutation is equal to 1p1 into raised of 3 plus 3 digit 3p3. So 1 factorial into 3 factorial. 1 factorial answer is 1 and 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1. Total 6 ways are possible for the digit divisible by 5. Okay? Number 4. How many of them will be greater than 5,000? Okay, how many of them will be greater than 5,000? More than 5,000 means 1,000 place per value क्या होनी चाहिए? 5 and above 5. 5 and more than 5 total 3 digit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 place. Greater than 5,000, above 5,000 total 3 values is here. Possible place only for 1, 5, 7 and 8. 3 values and 1 place only for total permutation is equal to 3 values 1 place, so 3p1 and remaining 3 place 3 values 3p3 3 into 3 factorial. Okay, more than 5,000 greater than 5,000 minus 5 and above 5 digit. The first place unit place what I write to you 10,000 1000 place into 5 7 and 8 third values देंगे 5 and above 5 5 7 8 1000 place per right raised of. So they get remaining 2 values. Any other places are possible and 2. So 3 place 3 value. Okay. So 3p1 into 3p3 3 into 3 factorial. Next 3 into 2 into 1. 18 will are possible for the values is above 5,000 means greater than 5,000. Okay. We are completed for illustration number 8. Now next illustration number 9. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed using all the digits 2, 5, 0, 7 and 9? Okay. How many 5-digit numbers? 5-digit numbers means 0 are not possible for the 10,000 places. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 places. 5-digit. How many 5-digit numbers? 5-digit numbers 2 are possible for 10,000 places. Unit 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 10,000 places 2 are possible. 5 is also possible. 0 is not possible. यदि आपने write किया 0, 2, 5, 7, 9. The 2, 5, 7, 9 4-digit number 0, 5-digit 2 are. And 0 is not possible for 10,000 places. Next 7 possible, 9 is also possible. These 4 digits are possible for the 10,000 places. First place. Clear? आपको क्या बोला है? 5,000. Okay? 5-digit number find करना है. जब 5-digit का number बनाओ तो 0 અહીંયા possible છે નહીં first place. એટલા માટે એના સિવાયની જે remaining 4 digit છે. Right? Okay? 4 place 4 માંથી કોઈ એક ડિજિટ સિલેક્ટ કરે rest of 3 any other place and 0 total permutation is equal to 4 digit 1 place into rest of 4 digit 4 place. Done. 4p1 first step 4 as it is into 4p4 npn means n factorial 4 factorial. Next step 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So using calci 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 96 will are possible for 5 digit numbers. Okay. Now next illustration number 10. In how many ways can all the letters of the word Surat be arranged said that words are at even places only? Okay, Surat. Words are even place only. Words A, E, I, O, U. 5. A, E, I, O, U. In Surat word there are 2 words are given. Rest of 3 only. 2 words and 3 consonant. Okay. क्या बोला आपको? Words are in even place. Even place करिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 and 4 are even place. Even place पे ही आपको total permutation three consonant and 2 words. 2 words, 2 places. 2p2 and 3 consonant. 3p3. 2p2 here. 2 factorial. And 3p3 3 factorial. 2 factorial is answered 2 into 1 into 3 factorial is answered 3 into 2 into 1. So using LCM 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1. So total 12 ways are possible for the words are in occupying even places. Total 12 ways. Okay. Here complete illustration number 10.